In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set weekday email automation on Mailerlite. If you are trying to send emails at the right time during the week, setting up a weekday automation is a great way to keep your outreach consistent without manual work. To get started, open your Mailerlite account and navigate to your main dashboard. From there, you will want to find the section where your automations live. Depending on your layout, it may be listed in a menu on the left side or along the top navigation bar. Take a moment to locate the place labeled Automations. Next, click on Automations. This area shows you all of the automation workflows that you have created, as well as any drafts or paused workflows. You may see several different workflows, so it helps to identify the one you want to adjust before you edit anything. Look for the workflow name that matches the email sequence you want to run on specific weekdays. Now navigate to the workflow you want to edit. In the instructions, this is described as clicking the workflow you want to edit, then moving into its editing view. When you select the correct workflow, you should be taken to a builder screen, where the steps of the automation are shown in order. This is where you will make a small change that controls when the email is sent. Once you are inside the workflow editor, find the step that controls timing. In many automations, there is a delay step that determines how long the system waits before moving to the next action. If you already have a delay in your workflow, locate it visually in the step list or flow. If you do not see it, you may need to click into the part of the workflow where timing is handled, but for this tutorial, assume the workflow already includes that delay portion. Next, edit the delay step. You will click into the delay step settings so you can change how the system waits. This part matters because it is the delay that will allow you to target a specific weekday and time instead of sending immediately or sending based on an unrelated schedule. Then, set the delay step to wait until a specific time. After selecting that option, you will typically see additional fields appear, such as a weekday selector and a time selector. Make sure you choose wait until a specific time, because that setting is what enables the weekday controls. If you select a different delay type, the automation may not schedule the email correctly. After you have set it to wait until a specific time, select the specific weekday. The instructions mention examples like Monday or Tuesday. Choose the exact weekday you want the email to be sent. This is an important detail because the workflow will pause until that day arrives, ensuring your email timing stays consistent across the week. Now set the time you want the email to be sent. In the same delay configuration area, choose the time that matches your plan. Be sure to set the correct hour and minute, and also confirm the time zone if your interface shows it. Accurate timing helps your audience receive the message at the intended moment. When you have selected the weekday and time, return to the workflow view and confirm that your delay step looks correct in the flow. At this point, the automation should be configured to wait until the chosen day and then continue to the sending step that follows in your workflow. Finally, click Activate the workflow. This is the step that turns your edited automation from a setup state into an active running state. Before you activate, it is a good idea to scan the workflow once more to ensure there are no other timing settings that conflict with the delay you just changed. Once you click Activate, Mailerlite will start running the workflow according to the schedule you set. That means your emails will follow your weekday automation timing automatically, so you can focus on other work while your system handles the delivery. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.